Yes, I invite you. The C.R.U.S.H 2023 workshop is now open. And what's it all about? Well, C.R.U.S.H is an acronym for 5 key components that we're going to deep dive into during this online workshop. C is for confidence. We all know that goes up and down. R is resilience. We're born with it, and then we kind of forget that it exists and we don't use it. U is for unshakable in times of challenge in life. You want to be that tree in the storm that doesn't get knocked down. S is for self-awareness. That's a good way to understand more about yourself and how you react to things and improve your responses. And in week 5, we get to the H of C.R.U.S.H. H is all about happiness. Some of you are probably already happy, and that's awesome. What if you could be happier? So I invite you, I'm going to pop the link in the comments at the end of this video. Have a look. Got any questions, send me a DM. I look forward to crushing it with you in 2023. About 36 Ks in on this run, and yep, I'm crushing it. See ya.